What's the word when you pause and then you hit play again? We will presume, we will consume, we will resume. I knew it wasn't. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God, you're back again. So I'm gonna tell you what we're doing. Cody's scraping the remnants of egg into the trash can, but we will resume our hamburger making. Am I original?
Yeah. We need this plate clean, so
I bet she recorded a new note on that.
Caught the person using the computer.
Oh, damn.
Shit. She's really calling him up.
But now they have to do 1/3 of the something.
Oh, he's already got it, so. Oh my God. He called her while he was in the chair. Hard for him to come back from that one. Before they were just like, his mom. Hey. Destroyed. Damn. Real male ego.
Doesn't look like he did it on purpose.
Where's the flower lady? You gonna square up now? Like, that was yummy. Oh my God.